This dance is called Down to Mexico. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, beginner stroke improver level line dance with 1 restart. Starting on the right foot, cross rock right over left, recover your weight on the left, step the right to the side. Repeat with the left, cross rock side. Now those are actually done as a 1 and 2 count timing step. Into a vaudeville, so we're going to cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, touch that right heel forward on the diagonal, 130, step the right back beside the left. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight on the right, make a quarter turn left as you step that left forward. So those of you who are familiar with doing vaudevilles, don't go trying to do the opposite foot as well. It's just a one-sided one, so just on the right, we're not doing the vaudeville on the left foot. That set of steps once more. Cross rock off on the right. 7, 8, cross rock side, cross rock side, cross sand heel and cross rock turn. Into a little weave to our left. So we're going to cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, right behind, step the left to the side. Cross rock right over left, recover your weight on the left, step the right to the side. Similar set of steps with the left foot leading. So we're going to weave to the right, so we cross the left over the right, right to the side, left behind, right to the side. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight on the right, and this time quarter turn left as you step forward on that left. That set of steps once more then. Weaving to the left, right foot leads. 7, 8, cross side behind side, cross rock side, cross side behind side, cross rock turn. Let's add those two sections together. Cross rock off on the right. 7, 8, cross rock side, cross rock side, cross sand heel and cross rock turn. Cross side behind side, cross rock side, cross side behind side, cross rock turn. Now we're going to chasse to the right. We're going to put 1/8 of a turn at the end. So you'll step the right to the side, left beside right. As you step the right to the side, you will turn yourself 1/8 of a turn to the left, so you're facing 430. That's your chasse, 1/8 of a turn at the end. Into a rumba box, left foot leading. So we step left to the side, right beside left, step the left forward, right to the side, left beside right, step the right back. Chasse to the left. Again, we're putting 1/8 of a turn left on the end, side, close, 1/8 of the turn, so we square ourselves up to 3 o'clock. That set of steps once more then. Chasse with that 1/8 of a turn on the end. 7, 8, right chasse, side close step, side close back, left chasse. Remembering to square yourself up at the end of that last chasse. Let's add that to the top. Cross rock side off on the right. 7, 8, cross rock side, cross rock side, cross sand heel and cross rock turn. Cross side behind side, cross rock side, cross side behind side, cross rock turn. Right chasse, side close step, side close back, left chasse. Into some heel switches. So we're going to touch the right heel forward, right beside left, left heel forward, left beside right. Into a mambo step. So we rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, right beside the left. Couple more heel switches, so we touch the left heel forward, left beside right, right heel forward, right beside left. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself a quarter turn to the right, step forward on the left. End of dance. That set of steps once more then. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and mambo step. Heel and step, pivot step. And you're ready to start with your cross rock side. So let's put it all together, all the way through. Cross rock side off on the right. 7, 8. Cross rock side, cross and heel and cross rock turn. Cross side behind side, cross rock side, cross side behind side, cross rock turn. Right chassé, side close step, side close back, left chassé. Heel and mambo step, heel and step, pivot step. So that's your dance. Now there are quite a few hand counts in it, so I'll go through it with the counts. Cross right side off on the right. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So that's your dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance. So let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Cross rock side off on the right. 7, 8. Cross rock side, cross and heel and cross rock turn. Cross side behind side, cross rock side behind side, cross rock turn. Right chassé, side close step, side close back, left chassé. Heel and mambo step, heel and step, pivot step. Cross rock side, cross and heel and cross rock turn. Cross side behind side, cross side behind side, cross rock turn. Right chassé, side close step, side close back, left chassé. Heel and mambo step, heel and step, pivot step. So that is your dance. Now there is one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 4, which is your 6 o'clock wall, after 16 counts, so halfway through the dance. So you've just done your weave section, got that turn on the end, you restart at that point rather than going into the chassé. So let's take you up to 16 counts, wall 4, restart the dance so you can see where it fits. Cross rock side off on the right. 7, 8. Cross rock side, cross and heel and cross rock turn. Cross side behind side, cross side behind side, cross rock turn. Restart, cross rock side. So that's your restart point. Wall 4 after 16 counts. So that's your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. 7, 8. Cross rock side, cross rock side, cross side here and cross rock turn. Cross side behind side, cross rock side, cross side behind side, cross rock turn. Right chasse, side close step, side close back, left chasse. Heel and mambo step, heel and step, pin step. Cross rock side, cross rock side, cross side heel and cross rock turn. Cross side behind side, cross rock side, cross side behind side, cross rock turn. Right chasse, side close step, side close back, left chasse. Heel and mambo step, heel and step, pin step. Cross rock side, cross rock side, cross side heel and cross rock turn. Cross side behind side, cross rock side, cross side behind side, cross rock turn. Right chasse, side close step, side close back, left chasse. Heel and mambo step, heel and step, in step. Cross rock side, shall we start wall? Cross side here and cross rock turn. Cross side behind side, cross rock side, cross side behind side, cross rock turn. Restart, cross rocks. Weave. Chasse. Heels. Cross rocks. Weave. Chasse. Heels. Hope you managed that one.